QM54. Looks like we're getting some middle junctions, low junction scoring from the Red Alliance and middle junction scoring. A little bit unusual. Unfortunately, Ice Robotics missing a few of those middle junction scores. Blue Alliance, however, making no such qualms. They are going immediately for those upper junction scoring. Looks like 3 on the outer, 4 on the inner. And they're scoring that. They're trying to get all of them with only 4 seconds left in the autonomous. It looks like they managed to get nearly every single cone.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Starting our driver control period here. These robots out here grabbing their cones, getting ready to claim some of these junctions. Red Alliance trying to make up a bit of that lost time, lost points that they had during their autonomous period by getting some cones on some junctions to claim them. It's very strategic. As you can see here, 1279 scoring on the middle junction, then immediately getting usurped by 17080 to Newt.exe there, scoring on that middle junction, claiming it back for themselves. You got the Red Alliance also going for some of these other junctions, because again, ownership is very important of these middle junctions, even though it is important to get also scores on the upper junction. A little bit of collision between Ice Robotics and Auto Vortex here as they're tossing around in the center field, trying to aim and get, looks like Ice Robotics claiming that last pre-placed autonomous beacon, though they're not going to get any extra points because, well, first of all, they missed it, but even if they scored, it would only be standard driver control period scoring points. As we've got their partners over here, 17080 Nuke.exe scoring on an upper junction, 12791 out here waiting in their time in the middle, trying to get ready to score on the upper junction, playing a little bit of defense there, trying to make sure these robots are having a little bit more of a tricky time. 17080 and 12791 colliding in the center of the field here. Ice Robotics aiming around, trying to move around, waiting for that end game because they're running a little bit low on cones. Blue Alliance here not hesitating themselves, though, trying to score on that upper junction. As we enter our end game, that means these teams' beacons are going to be placed into the field. 58431 getting ready to place their beacon and claim one of those upper junctions for themselves very smoothly. Auto Vortex, good work. 17080 grabbing their beacon. Of course, Blue Alliance now having both of their beacons scored. Red Alliance trying to score one of their beacons, but they're going a little bit slow to the like 10 seconds left in the match. It's going to be a bit of a race to see if they can land it. That's 1 beacon scored. That's 2 beacons scored. Yes, they've scored all those beacons successfully. 3, 2, 1. Game 223 to 207. But we've got some scoring still left to do.